स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों को साथ स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देखा स्टॉक मार्केट टू वॉच टुडे January 21, 2026। HCLTech Eternal Precedent Systems, Rails India, JSW, Steel and more. Stock to watch today January 21, 2026. Several Nifty and F&O stocks are scheduled to announce December quarter results through the session. The post-market, while corporate action and deal-related news may drive individual stock moves. Stock to watch today, January 21, 2026. HCLTech, Eternal Precedent Systems, Rail India, JSW, Steel and more. Stock to watch today, January 21, 2026. Indian equities are likely to remain stock specific on Wednesday amid a heavy earnings calendar. Several Nifty and F&O stock are scheduled to announce December quarter results through the session and post-market, while corporate action and deal-related news may drive individual stock moves. Dr. Reddy Laboratories will announce its December quarter result between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. The stock will be in focus during the first half of the session and as investors track commentary on margin, US business trend, and regulatory updates. Apparel is scheduled to declare its the quarterly result between 3 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. The stock may see activity in the late trade based on earning commentary and forward guidance. President System reported better than expected operational performance in Q3 financial year 2026. Revenue rose 5.5% quarter on raised 3,778 crore, while EBIT increased 8%. Margins improved to 16.7%. Profit declined due to one-time labor code impact of Rs 89 crore. The company announced a dividend of Rs 22 per share, with January 2027 as the record date. United Spirits posted year-on-year revenue growth of 7.3% and a sharp rise in profit through margin decline. EBITDA margin fell 35 basis points while volume growth remained weak. Revenue and profit were about the estimated, while EBITDA margin missed the expectation. AU Small Finance Bank delivered a strong December quarter, beating estimates on all key parameters. Net interest income rose 16% year-on-year, while profit increased 27%. Provision declined as supply assist qualities improved and marginally, and the slippers and fell sequentially. Canara, Robeck, AMC, Kind DMLA, Rail India,